Hello viewer. So Laravel database merge. So one database to another database. How to get your data, how to convert your data, or to set up or insert your data another database to one database to another database. How to insert your data. So firstly, set up your env. Here is the first your main database, and the second database need to use the second database username, password, and port everything. So now set the config.database config/database.php. Here also MySQL put, and second MySQL also put MySQL second. So here you can put now server config case clear, then test your second database connection. How to connect this? So this is the db and put data db connection MySQL second. When you put here tables customer list and get data, it's working or not. So now our customer demanded to me the last 7 days data he needs. So in this data now 7 days connect and db booking list last 7 days, also connection second database booking list upsert to this data and put this data masked one is successfully. Simple merge customer data, customer also connection this also connected, and insert this database. So run the root for testing. So merge data, this data booking list, and to check this database is working or not. Merge completed. So now when you set up the merge data to check works or not, so in this way we can check this database. So thank you, best of luck.